In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a game on Steam and redeem a gift card. If you're new to Steam or just need a refresher, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, let's start by opening your Steam application. If you don't have it installed yet, you can download it from the official Steam website. Once you have the app open, you'll want to head over to the login page. Simply click on the login button, which is usually located at the top right corner of the app. This will bring you to the login screen where you'll enter your account name and password. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one to proceed. After entering your login credentials, go ahead and click on the sign in button. Once you're signed in, you'll find yourself on your Steam homepage. From here, navigate to your profile, which can be easily accessed by clicking on your username located at the top of the interface. In the drop-down menu that appears, select View My Wallet. This is where you can add funds or redeem any gift cards you might have. Click on Redeem a Steam gift card or wallet code. This will prompt you to enter the card or wallet code. Carefully input the code, ensuring every digit and letter is correct. Then click on Continue to finalize the redemption process. Once your funds are successfully added, it's time to purchase a game. Go to the Steam store and navigate to your wish list if you have pre-selected any games you're interested in. If not, you can browse the store and select a game you like. When you found a game you want to purchase, click Add to Cart. Now, just like online shopping, you'll need to go to your cart to proceed with the purchase. In your cart, click Continue to Payment. Here, you'll need to select a payment method. If your gift card covered the full price, you might not need an additional method. Otherwise, you can choose from options like credit card or PayPal. Next, enter your card and billing details as prompted. Once everything is correctly filled out, click Continue. From here, simply follow the on-screen prompts to complete your purchase. Steam guides you through this step, making sure all necessary information is covered and confirmed. And that's it! You've successfully purchased a game on Steam. Remember to keep your account details secure, and happy gaming. Enjoy exploring the diverse library on Steam. Thank you for joining me today, and if you found this guide helpful, feel free to check out more tutorials to enhance your gaming experience.